Welcome students, let us see a very interesting question from the chapter sets. Question is based on the topic subsets, and we know that a set is known as subset of another set if every element of a set is available in another set B, then first set is subset of this another set. So on that basis we can do this question, which is very interesting question. Question is, decide among the following sets which sets are subsets of one and another. Okay, so four sets are given here. Set A is element x such that x belongs to the set of real number and x satisfies this quadratic equation. Second, set B is given here having elements 2, 4 and 6, and set C having elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, means all even natural numbers, and set D consists of one member only, 6. Okay, so before doing this question, before deciding that which one is subset of another, we have to convert this set A, which is given in set builder form, we will convert it into tabular form, or which is known as roster form also. Then we will be able to decide that which one of sets are subsets of another. So first of all, here A will be how much? Elements are, we will solve this quadratic equation. X square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. We will find the value of x. Let us solve it by splitting the middle term. So this is x square minus 2x minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 0. X will be common, x minus 2, here minus 6 is common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again we can take x minus 2 common from both the terms. So x minus 2 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Product of two factors is 0 here. So either this will be 0 or this will be 0, isn't it? So if x minus 2 is 0, x minus 2 is 0 implies that x is equal to 2, and x minus 6 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to 6. So solutions of this quadratic equations are 2 and 6. It means set A consists of these two elements 2 and 6. Now we can decide which of these sets are subsets of another sets. So you see, set A consists of element 2 and 6, set B 2, 4 and 6. So definitely here A is a subset of set B, correct? Again A is a subset of set C also, because set C are having elements 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 6 are available in set C. So here A is a subset of set C. Okay. And what about B? B consists of element 2, 4, 6. This will not be subset of set A because set A is having only 2, 6. So these 2, 4, 6 elements are available in this set C, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So definitely here B is a subset of set C. And what about set C? Set C is not a subset. This is the biggest element, biggest set having infinite numbers. So this is not a subset. And what about D? D is having only one element 6, which is available in set A also. So D is a subset of set A. Again 6 is available in B also. So D is subset of B, as well as D is available in set C also. So D is a subset of set C also. So this is our answer which was required. We have to decide among the following sets which sets are subset of one and another. So hope you have understood it very well. We will see some more questions, interesting questions, important questions in other videos. So keep watching these videos and get maximum benefit. Thank you.